In this video, I will show you how to delete your Spotify account permanently. So let's get started. It is not possible to delete Spotify account from Spotify app. So you need to use web browser to delete your Spotify account. You can do it on PC as well as on your mobile device. First open any web browser and go to accounts.spotify.com. Just log in to your Spotify account that you want to delete. Once you logged in, just click on Account Overview. Now on the home page, just click on Support at the top. Next, click on Manage your account. Under Manage your account, click on Account Settings. And here you will find an option Closing your account and deleting your data. Just click on Closing your account and deleting your data option. On the next screen, you will get two options, whether you want to close your premium account or you want to close your free account. So if you have Spotify premium account, just click on first link that says close your premium account and delete your data. But if you are using Spotify free account, just click on close your free account and delete your data. I am using free account, so I will click on close your free account and delete your data option. You will get a confirmation prompt. Just click on continue to close your account. For security reasons, you might need to enter your password, and once you enter the same, your account will be deleted. Note that when you close your account, you will lose access to any purchase audiobooks or live tickets for future events if you close your account and delete your data. After you close your account, you will get an email with a link that you can use to reactivate your account within 7 days. After those 7 days, your account cannot be reactivated and the process to delete your data will be initiated. You can always create a new account. And note that you can use the same email address to create a new account after 14 days from the date of closing your account. So that is how you can delete your Spotify account permanently. If you find this video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.